Have you ever seen a firework that does this?
Hey guys, today we have a very interesting fountain. This is a fountain that I've never really seen anything like before. I have seen fountains that do spin. As you've seen, this does spin. It's got a pretty nice free spin on it. And I do believe this one actually opens up. You can see there's a crease down the middle of this thing, or an opening. And I can kind of see some of the tubes in there. So there is something in this. And this opens up like that and it spins more. It's pretty interesting. But anyways, this is called Magic Land by Shiny Star Fireworks. It's a pretty interesting firework. There's a QR code right there. Yeah, pretty interesting. I've never really seen a fountain this shape. It does have a plastic base, and you can actually see that there is a ball bearing in there. That's why it spins so freely. That's plastic. But yeah, that is a pretty cheaply made ball bearing. Of course that is, because nobody's gonna put one of those expensive ones in there, because this thing will get thrown in the trash when somebody's done with it anyways. I mean, yeah, that would be a waste. And I will actually take that out so it can be reused, if I can. But yeah, anyways, let's go ahead and light this thing off and see what it does. Alright, here goes Magic Land. That is sick. I love the thick sparks on that.
That was pretty cool.
Yeah, it's on fire. That was cool. That is sick. I love the thick sparks on that.
That was pretty cool.
Yeah, it's on fire. Yeah, this thing's still burning. You can see those parts there. This thing was really cool. I really like how it spun and opened up like that. I could smell it too. It's still really hot. I really like how they had these tubes that were like on the top at the beginning. They spaced them up. They put them up there so when it opened up, it's at the bottom so it spins faster. That's pretty cool. The base. Oh, it made a little ring there. That's cool. The base stayed intact. Ball bearings intact. Yeah, this is a pretty nice firework. Definitely recommend this. I did burn the plastic cover of the GoPro camera because I didn't realize how close it was. So yeah, I'll have to get a new one or something. I probably need to get a new GoPro anyways. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time with another video.